In 1992, Musk transferred to the Wharton School on scholarship after spending 2 years studying at Queen's University in Ontario, Canada. He dreamed of a space exploration and constantly spoke about electric cars. According to the book Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and the Quest for the Fantastic Future by Ashley Vance. And at the time, a young Musk believed five key things would impact the world. When thinking about what would most likely change the future, Musk said on the Third Row Tesla podcast in February, there were five things that I thought would be. First, the internet. Musk believed the internet, nascent in the 90s, would fundamentally change humanity, he said on the podcast. I would not regard this as a profound insight but rather an obvious one, Musk said. He compared the internet to the human nervous system. If you didn't have a nervous system, you wouldn't know what's going on. Your fingers wouldn't know what's going on. Your toes wouldn't know what's going on. You would have to do it by diffusion, he said. The way information used to work was by diffusion. One human would have to call another human or write them a letter. That was extremely slow diffusion. And if you wanted access to books and you did not have a library, you don't have it. That's it. He knew the internet could change all that. And while Musk only had minimal access to the internet at the time, he knew the internet would be a fundamental and profound change. Now you have access to all books instantly, and you can be in a remote mountain top location and have access to all of humanity's information if you got a link to the internet, he said on the podcast. Now suddenly human organisms anywhere would have access to all the information instantly. Second, multiplanetary life. Musk believed making life multiplanetary and making consciousness multiplanetary would change the world, he said on the podcast. As a child, Musk was influenced by a variety of science fiction books and he believed he would one day build spaceships to extend the human species' reach, according to the book Elon Musk. On May 30, SpaceX successfully launched two NASA astronauts into orbit for the first time. It was a milestone for human spaceflight and got Musk one step closer to achieving his Mars ambition. Third, changing human genetics. Just as a character in 1997 movies Gattaca undergoes genetic engineering to pursue his dreams of space travel, according to Musk, when he was younger, he believed being able to change human genetics could change the world. And it's happening today. The technology like CRISPR, Musk said on the podcast. It will become normal, I think, to change the human genome for getting rid of diseases or propensity to various diseases, he said. That's going to be like the first thing you would want headed out. If you have got a situation where you are definitely going to die of some cancer at age 55, you'd prefer to have that edited out. That's the Gattaca sort of extreme thing where it's not really edited out but it's edited in for various enhancements and that kind of thing, he said, which probably will come too. I am not arguing for it or against it, Musk said. I am just saying it's more likely to. I'm not arguing for it or against it, Musk said. I am just saying it's more likely to come than not down to the road. Fourth, sustainable energy. As a teenager, Musk felt a personal obligation for the fate of mankind and felt inspired to create cleaner energy technology one day, according to the book Elon Musk. So he believed that sustainable energy would change the future. Sustainability actually was something that I thought was important before the environmental implications became as obvious as they are. He said on the podcast, if you mine and burn hydrocarbons, then you are going to run out of them. It's not like mining metals. We will never run out of metals, but we will run out of hydrocarbons. He said the future may bring a carbon tax that would raise the cost of burning fuels to mitigate climate change, which is no brainer. In 2004, Musk invested and became a co-founder of electric car company Tesla. He became CEO in 2008. On Wednesday, Tesla became the world's most valuable automaker when the electric vehicle company's market capitalization surpassed Toyota's for the first time. Fifth, artificial intelligence. AI is a really major one, too, Musk said on the podcast. In 2019, at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, Musk said computers will surpass us in every way, including scary things like job disruption from robots or even a potential AI race that leads to a third world war. AI is capable of vastly more than almost anyone knows, and the rate of improvement is exponential. He said at the 2018 South by Southwest Tech Conference. In college, Elon Musk thought these five things would change the world. Before Elon Musk was a billionaire or even a millionaire, he was a college student studying physics and economics at the University of Pennsylvania.